Hey, welcome back, channel viewers. Thanks for being with me. It's been a long time since I put out some content. I'm just dealing with some stuff. I'm down in the dumps. I've literally lost my mojo. I have nothing. I have no reserves in the tank. I'm just overwhelmed and just can't muster up anything to do anything. But anyway, I'm going to put this out real quick. Bought a couple new tools for the ATVs, whatever else I'm working on. So let me flip you around here. So I got a huge assortment of wrenches to adjust shock collars, lock nuts. Then I got a big chain breaker. For the price, I just went with the big kit. You never know when you're going to need it. Yeah. So just real quick, I wanted to show you this, and just spending more money, and it's just never ending. Anyway, I'll put this out to you right quick. Thanks for being here. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. For now, break time.